Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firan Saiful Yusuf.
My name is Syam Muhammad Hambali.
My name is Yulanisa Agustina. My name is April Maluda.
On this occasion, we would like to explain how to assemble a PC.
Prepare the required tools and components. Tools: screwdriver, screw, case, motherboard, RAM, power supply unit, heatsink and fan, SATA cable, thermal pasta, and power cable. First, installing the processor onto the motherboard. Open the CPU socket loop. Install the processor according to the triangle mark. Close the socket loop carefully.
Yang pertama, memasang prosesor ke motherboard. Buka pengunci soket prosesor, pasang prosesor sesuai tanda segitiga, dan tutup kembali pengunci dengan hati-hati.
Second, installing the heatsink and fan. Apply thermal phase. Place the heatsink on top of the processor. Secure the heatsink properly. Connect the fan cable to the motherboard.
Kedua, memasang heatsink dan fan. Oleskan thermal pasta, pasang heatsink di atas prosesor. Kunci heatsink dengan benar dan sambungkan kabel fan ke motherboard.
Third, installing the RAM. Open the RAM slot clips. Insert the RAM according to the notch direction. Press until it clicks.
Ketiga, memasang RAM. Buka pengunci slot RAM. Masukkan RAM sesuai arah not dan tekan sampai berbunyi klik.
Fourth, installing the power supply. Insert the PSU into its place in the case. Secure it with screw. Make sure the fan position is correct.
4. Memasang power supply. Masukkan PSU ke tempatnya di casing. Kencangkan dengan baut dan pastikan posisi kipas sesuai.
5. Installing the motherboard into the case. Place the motherboard into the case. Align it with the screw holes. Tighten it using screw.
Kelima, memasang motherboard ke casing. Pasang motherboard ke dalam casing. Sesuaikan dengan lubang baut dan kencangkan menggunakan baut.
6. Installing the hard disk or SSD. Place the HDD or SSD into the case tray. Secure it with screw. Connect the SATA cable and power cable.
6. Memasang hard disk atau SSD. Pasang hard disk ke tray casing. Kencangkan dengan baut dan sambungkan kabel SATA dan kabel power.
7. Connecting the cables. Motherboard power cables 24 pin, CPU power cable, SATA cables, front panel cables, power button, reset, LED, USB cable, and audio cable.
7. Menghubungkan kabel-kabel. Kabel power motherboard 24 pin, kabel power CPU, kabel SATA, kabel front panel, kabel USB, dan kabel audio.
Final checks. After all components are installed, recheck all cables and components to make sure they are properly connected. Turn on the PC. If the components turn on, the assembly is successful.
Pengecekan akhir. Setelah semua komponen terpasang, periksa kembali semua kabel dan komponen dengan rapi. Nyalakan PC. Jika komponen menyala, maka perakitan sudah berhasil.
That is the explanation of how to assemble PC. By following this step, we can assemble PC safely and correctly. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.